Fix and flip loan. A fix and flip loan is a loan you need as an investor. Flipping homes is all the rage right now. There are endless TV shows solely dedicated to showing you how you can update an outdated home on a time constraint. With a fix and flip loan, you can purchase a home that needs to have renovations done to it. We will finance those renovations for you so you don't have to use all your money in your bank account. With a fix and flip loan, you buy the home, fix it up, turn around and flip it and make a nice profit. This loan is also for investors who may not have enough capital to buy more than one home at a time. So we will give you the money to purchase the home, and we will give you the money to repair the home so you can get it back on the market as quickly as you can so you can make that profit. And boy, do we need houses on the market right now. There's just no inventory. So we need you and we need this loan. Give my team a call to learn how you can use the fix and flip loan to your advantage. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.